ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আলোচনা করছি দ্বিতীয় সপ্তাহের ক্লাস 8-এর ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নিয়ে। তো ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্টে দ্য এথনিক পিপল অফ বাংলাদেশ এই বিষয়ে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট লিখতে বলা হয়েছে, অর্থাৎ এই বিষয়ে একটি প্যারাগ্রাফ 200 শব্দের মধ্যে লিখতে বলা হয়েছে। তো নিচে এই প্যারাগ্রাফটি লেখা হয়েছে, সেটা আলোচনা করছি। এথনিক ইজ ওয়ান কাইন্ড অফ tribe or community of people. They are different from us. Their religion is also different from ours. They are very important part of the culture of our country. Their culture is different from modern Western culture and therefore interesting for the people of Western countries. Their clothes, jewelry, cooking and eating habit is different from ours. The majority of those people live in Chattogram Hill Tracts. Among the ethnic group, the Chakma, the Marma, the Chak, the Mro, the Morong, the Santal, the Tripura are some of the most well-known teams in Bangladesh. Apart from the Chattogram Hill Tract space, there is some ethnic group who stay in different elements of Bangladesh, as Sylhet, Moulobibazar, Potuakhali, Jashore, Mymensingh are another elements of Bangladesh. They live in the forest areas, in the hills and in rural areas. By religion, they are Hindus, Christians or Buddhists. The majority of the Chakma people are largely Buddhist. They have a distinctive clothes custom. Men often put on Western style shirt and trousers. The place ladies preserve a conventional clothes sample. Their clothes patterns consist of 2 items of clothes. One of them is worn as a shirt and the different one is wrapped round the decrease half, masking of waist to ankle. Their conventional coloration is black, blue and purple. Although they put on vibrant colors of clothes together with varieties of ornaments. Their conventional meals is rice served with millet, corn, mustard and greens reminiscent of yams, cucumbers, pumpkins and lots of extra. Also, they have a good time. All types of Buddhist festivals. Moreover, Santal people wear their very own garments. They put on garments identify Thambui, which is worn for the decrease half, and for the higher half they put on angi. They love to eat spicy, bitter and sizzling meals. They speak their own mother tongue along with the affected unnatural pronunciation. They have some common characteristics. They have their own lifestyles. They build their houses on bamboo or wooden platforms. Hunting and fishing are their favorite pastimes. They are fond of songs মিউজিক, ড্যান্সেস, থিয়েটার অ্যান্ড ফেয়ার। এই তো, আশা করি তোমরা ভালোভাবে তোমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট তৈরি করে জমা দিতে পারবে। এবং আমার ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, লাইক করবে, কমেন্ট করবে এবং ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করে বন্ধুদেরকে উপকৃত হওয়ার সুযোগ করে দেবে। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।